In this video, I'm going to show you how to get CHRYSALIS token in Once Human. Now this is actually very simple, however you have to pay real money to get it. The way to do this is by pressing escape on your keyboard, and then you want to go inside shop events and then inside shop, or simply pressing F2 on your keyboard, and then in here you want to go inside other, so shop and then other to the very right tab. In here, as you can see, the second option is the CHRYSALIS token, and as you can see, it says cosmetic reforging can be done via the full-length mirror in your territory, and you have to buy this with the in-game currency, so with the credits you can also only purchase with real money. Press buy now, and then simply press buy once that's done. And you can get these, as you can see over here, they're called Christians. You can get these by paying real money. So if we look at the price of this, go into other, it costs about 480 of these in-game credits. So if you want to get 480, you will have to buy 2 of these packets over here, so you'll have to pay 10 euros in my case to obtain them. However, once you pay these credits, you can buy it and you can have it. So that's how you get a CHRYSALIS token in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.